Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the mommy Finger. Potato fry is a good side dish for variety rice. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Take 4 big potatoes, peel them and cut them in smaller pieces. Boil them in a pressure cooker or vessel till the potato pieces are soft. In a pan, add little oil. When the oil is hot, add a pinch of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, add 1 teaspoon salt. Sauté till the onion turns golden brown. Add the boiled potato pieces and mash them to the desired size. You could also mash them first and then add in the pan. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Mix everything well. Add required salt. Delicious potato fry is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.